This is just Jeannie. I'm going to show you how to make a gigantic Easter basket. All you need is a large planter, pool noodle, decorative eggs, and make sure you fill the planter full of paper or something to stabilize your contents. Next, I took a pool noodle. Take a pair of scissors and make slits along the edges of the pool noodle. Then you want to place the pool noodle on the edge of the planter. It's very simple. You do not need to glue this noodle to the planter. If you do, you won't be able to take it apart and store it, okay? So very simple, slide the pool noodle on the edge of the planter. Next, take mesh ribbon. I use actually 2 applications of the mesh ribbon to cover my pool noodle. I use a hot glue gun, so be careful. I did burn my fingers a couple of times with this hot glue. So cover that pool noodle and voila. Next, take ribbon and create bows and place them accordingly. Whew, I tell you, making bows is hard work. This is probably the longest part of this project. I tell you, the floor wire comes in handy, but a tip here, please use really good ribbon. The ribbon needs to be wired so you can manipulate the ribbon into pretty bows. I tell you, this is like weak ribbon. I would never do that again. Get good, high quality ribbon. Then put a box or a topper or something on top of the paper. Put your moss on top. This stabilizes the eggs so they don't get lost into the bottom of your planter. Place your eggs. I chose vibrant colored ones and ones that you can open and fill with Easter goodies. This looks great on the outside of your home. You can use it inside your home as a big family Easter basket. So if you want more, subscribe to my blog. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. This is Just Jeannie. While you're at it, check out my Easter spring front door. What do you think? What do you think of my porch? Aren't the rabbits cute? Look at the Easter basket. And of course I had to have an egg tree. But if you like the wreaths that are on my door, look at my YouTube tutorial. I'll show you how to make these wreaths. They're very easy. Follow me and subscribe.